Welcome to Decent Channel. In this video, we'll show you the full shipping process of 2 customized woodworking dust collectors exported to Mexico. As you can see, all equipment plates and complete machine accessories for this Mexico shipment are wrapped with extra blue stretch film to fully prevent bumps and scratches during handling and container loading to withstand harsh long-distance ocean transportation. After loading all equipment into the container, our team will carry out professional cargo reinforcements. Every unit will be firmly secured, delivering comprehensive transportation safety to simplify on-site installation for overseas buyers. The woodworking dust collector of Decent Machinery consists of 4 major modules: upper cabinet, lower cabinet, centrifugal fan, and control cabinet. We disassembled the machine by these 4 parts. All separated components are packed individually with unique serial numbers, together with exclusive high-definition assembly drawings. Upon receipt of goods, clients can assemble the whole unit quickly and accurately, just like building Lego, which greatly cuts installation difficulties and time costs on site. For every overseas shipment, we measure equipment dimensions and design loading layouts in advance. Our well-planned space arrangement maximizes container capacity and eliminates wasted space, helping clients save sea freight costs significantly. Reliable export service doesn't end at shipment. Every exported machine is marked with an exclusive unique serial number printed on the nameplate for full traceability. When clients encounter any issues later, they can quickly retrieve order records and reach our after-sales team via the serial number for efficient solutions. Besides, we offer full logistics tracking. We send weekly shipment updates to clients irregularly after delivery for total peace of mind. With standardized workmanship, thoughtful service, and full process protection, Decent Machinery devotes ourselves to every overseas delivery.